The most useful word I picked from law school, which every small business owner must know, is the word Functus Officio. Functus Officio is an interesting Latin compound word that is made up of two independent words, functus and officio. Functus means functions, officio means a public authority, a public servant, or an official. So functus officio is the attitude with which a public servant ought to carry and conduct himself while discharging his duties that fall on him as a matter of mandate. In administrative law, there are two ways that mandate falls on a public official. By the construction of the word shall, it implies that such mandate is a function of mandatory discharge. While using the construction will, it implies that such mandate falls on that public official and the discharge is discretionary. Whether it's mandatory or discretionary, functus officio applies to them both. So let me give us an example. When a judge sits on a matter and the judge begins to make a pronouncement on that matter, the moment a judge has finished with that pronouncement, the judge has emptied himself of authority on that matter. So that means that judge cannot go back to review that matter. As far as the authority of the judge on that matter is concerned, that judge has emptied his functions of that matter. So to that extent, that matter is functus officio. So how then can a small business owner employ functus officio in building and growing standards in our businesses? Whenever you are seized or whenever you apply your attention on a matter, you need to approach that matter with finality in mind. I want to do this thing so well that no one else will come back to improve upon it. In intellectual property, I usually discourage people from being haphazard at how we go about our businesses, how we go about our processes and functions. Because in intellectual property, anything that someone else will subsequently come and improve, they will own to the extent of what they have improved. That is what it's called to innovate. Innovation is a function in intellectual property when an individual looks at what already exists and you improve it and you can own to the extent of what you have improved. So that is why everything you're doing today, it doesn't matter how simple a matter or how complex a matter, whenever you are conducting your business processes, whenever you're going about your business functions, you need to approach them with the mind of finality that no one else will improve. That is how in the marketplace, people steal other people's ideas, because intellectual property gives you that ability that you can steal someone's idea if you can only improve. The awareness is to understand on this matter that was concluded, on this matter that was finished, what was the extent and the aspect of my improvement. If you can identify the extent and the aspects of your improvement, then innovation can go to work on your behalf. That is something that everyone in business ought to take very seriously. Whatever your functions, whatever your processes, whatever your business activities, you need to approach them with finality, and at the end, you lay it functus officio. If you found this content interesting, if you would want to seek ways of how you can grow your business while approaching the law as a tool, then I would suggest you kindly consider following, kindly consider sharing, liking this so that the TikTok algorithm will help us in propagating this content to reach to as many people as possible. My name is Ogwang, and I'm the principal at Franchise and Licensing Institute, and this matter is Functus Officio.